Hello everyone, my name is Surbhi. I am from India. I am a mother and a housewife. And me and my daughter were learning swimming in Nano Swimming Academy. I was searching for a female trainer, so I got to know about Nano Swimming Academy through my Instagram post. There I watched so many videos and I really liked the videos. After that, I contacted her. Then she arranged classes for both of us. So far, we have taken 6 lessons. In that 6 lessons, that consisted of 2 hours for each lesson. Okay. In that, we have learned so many styles of swimming, like dog paddling, Superman technique, freestyle, and back floating, and the breathing exercises also, and very small exercises which we can do at home before our classes so that we can learn and swim better. Nano is an excellent teacher and she is very experienced also, and also she tells us very patiently what we did wrong and what we can do to avoid our mistakes so that we can learn and swim better. I feel very motivated and my daughter also enjoyed the classes. So I recommend everyone to join the classes and learn swimming because it's a great way to keep fit as well. It's a full body exercise and including for especially for the kids. It's a fun activity and it improves their mental and physical health.